Hey friends, if you wish to open WordPad on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I'll explain why this is important because it's a free app which offers a lot of features like Microsoft Word, though it's not nearly the same. Now, the reason people say that we need an article on opening WordPad is because WordPad is not in the list of apps. Like if I click on the start button, I select all apps, I scroll down to W. I won't find WordPad here. Even more, when I right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, I go to the apps tab, I go to installed apps, and then I let it load. And since this list is also in alphabetical order, I will scroll down to WordPad and I won't find it here in the W section. You can check it here. There's no WordPad here. So that's because it's already a system application and it cannot be removed. So if you wish to access it, simply search for WordPad in the Windows search bar and you can open WordPad from this list. Other than this, you can press the Windows key and the R button together and type wordpad.exe and hit enter to open WordPad. These are the two best methods. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.